Hello, everybody. I'm Mike Hughes for the Product Prognosticator, and with me on the phone is Garrett Shivo of the Magnetizer, CEO, as a matter of fact. Welcome, Garrett.
Yes, thank you, Mike. It's good to be here.
Yeah, now you've got an exciting product line, particularly having to do with saving consumers money on their fuel consumption and, the world of green. So tell me a little bit about it.
That's right. Our Engine Performance Maximizer is designed to magnetize the fuel of automobiles, which gives a more complete burn, reducing emissions, increasing efficiency, and helping the overall life of the car by reducing carbon. The magnetizer was developed over a period of innovations, which now include magnetizing the air mixture as well. So we're magnetizing the fuel and the air, and the combination of the effect is that the molecules are separated and they interweave and they burn more complete and have a more thorough use of the fuel that's provided to the engine.
Now, you also have products that have to do with water purification and also can save people money there. Tell me a little bit about that.
That's correct. We have a home water system which goes on your water system for your house. This prevents scale from building up inside your hot water heater. When you magnetize fluids, again, there is a reaction at a molecular level, and in this case, we are generating a small electric current which is potentiated through the magnesium and calcium that's in the water. A lot of people know that pure water will not conduct a current, so when you magnetize the water, it keeps what is known as total dissolved solids, TDS, in solution so they don't precipitate out on the coil of your hot water heater. And insulation on that coil, which is calcium and magnesium, costs you money. It costs extra electricity to heat those coils because the coils are covered with calcium and magnesium. Magnetizer keeps it clean. And in addition to that, it also keeps stains from happening in your dishwasher and your shower.
All right.
Again, more solutions, total dissolved solids, stay in the water.
All right, very good. Garrett, I appreciate you sharing your innovative products with us and joining us on the Product Prognosticator.
My pleasure.
Thanks, everybody. Join us again for the Product Prognosticator. I'm Mike Hughes reporting.